miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kerrville, Fredericksburg, Comfort, Ingram, Hunt, Stonewall, Tividale, Kerrville Shriner Park, Rocky Hill, Kerr Wildlife Management Area, Waltonia, Sisterdale, Welfare, Blumenthal, Center Point, Albert, Waring, Grapetown, Luckenbach, and Kane City. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,